Are you looking for one of the best instant read thermometers ever? Well, the ThermoPro Lightning might be the best one for you. It certainly is one of my favorite. One of my favorite things is that you can just pop it open and it comes on, and then you flip it over. Doesn't matter which way, it automatically goes both ways. And it has a button here to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and it also will lock it in place. So when you put it in, let's say you can't get down there to see the temperature, you just tap that button and it'll remember that temperature. Let's go ahead and check out the temperature here. Get this one right in the front here. 146. That was almost an instant read. You put it in there and boom, you got the temperature. Another one of my favorite things about this one is the tip is really small, and I can even get a good reading on chicken wings. And that's hard to do with any thermometer, but this small tip on this instant read thermometer is definitely able to get in there and get that temperature without rubbing it tight against the bone. So check this thing out. I'm really happy with this, and right now they're running Black Friday specials. So if you're watching this video today, on their website, there is definitely some deals, and I'm going to be getting the Temp Spike Pro that includes a free one of these. So check that out on the website link below and get it directly from them. They are a great company, and anytime I've had any questions or any issues, they have addressed them super fast. So check it out. Thanks for watching.